Lattafa Fakhar. Alright, this is the newest perfume that I've just bought last Saturday. And I bought this from Westwood Souk down at Kalayaan Avenue. And the price is 1,600 pesos. Okay, normally I see this on Facebook pages for I think at 1,100 pesos to 1,300 pesos. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. This is going to be a first impressions video for Lattafa Fakhar. Alright. In terms of the presentation, you wouldn't imagine that this just goes for 1,600 pesos. The box feels very solid, very premium. In front, there's a design in silver, and it says Fakhar Lattafa and Lattafa on there, and it says Pride of Lattafa. Okay, and on the back you'll see the list of ingredients, I think, and as well as branding here and the QR code on the upper right side of the box. And that's it. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, in terms of the bottle presentation, it's nice. There's a silver plastic protection in front, and the bottle itself is mostly black. If I can just take it out safely. Alright, so I can show you the bottle itself. Okay, so there you go. At the back of the bottle itself, there's like a design of fish scales, as one YouTuber described it. Yeah, I agree. It's like, it looks like big fish scales right there. And in front, we have the design of Lattafa on the bottle cap itself, and it's in silver. And when you open it, of course, you have the atomizer that is also colored in silver. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on a few sprays and let's see how the atomizer works. And actually, a while ago, I already tested this, so you'll see how the atomizer performs right away. Don't need to do some test sprays. Okay, so there you go. And while waiting, by the way, this is a dupe of YEDP. Alright, so I went to the mall a couple of weeks back to smell YEDP, so I will be able to give you somehow an idea of how good this is in terms of being able to copy YEDP. Okay, so first off, it smells very fresh. Okay, yeah, it does smell like YEDP, and wow, there's some citrus that I can smell right away, and it's kind of a perfume that it's very easy to like. It's very fresh, and there's this aromatic vibe. Okay, so I think this is a perfume that you can easily wear to school, to your office, and to any place that you will be going. It's kind of an easy kind of perfume to wear. Okay, and it's very crowd pleasing, I would assume. Okay, so I think I'll go ahead and have this perfume rest for the meantime, and in a couple of weeks time I'll give you my honest review or take on this perfume, how it performs, how big its scent projection is, and also in terms of the overall performance, how long it lasts on the shirt or your skin. Okay, so if you have any questions, suggestions of any perfumes that you'd like for me to do a review on, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you and make sure to give you some inputs on those perfumes that you'd like for me to review. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!